In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily disable quiet mode on Instagram to stop missing important notifications about posts, stories, and reels. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need to open up Instagram app and then tap right here at our profile picture to go to our Instagram profile page. Once it is done, tap right here at these three lines and then at settings and privacy, at settings and activity, we can easily find notifications. So guys, first off, we need to get into notifications here, and that's where we can easily find quiet mode. If we get into quiet mode, we can customize it to turn on automatically by changing start time and end time. Let's say I don't want Instagram app to disturb me when I'm sleeping, so I can select start time, for example, at 22 and end time at 7 o'clock, just like that. Also, we can choose days in which quiet mode will turn off automatically. I can select just weekdays, for example. However, if you just want to turn off quiet mode, you can just toggle it off. And then tap at turn off quiet mode here to confirm. Quiet mode has been turned off. If you change your mind in any time later, you can go back to that part of settings and configure it in different way. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.